Hi, welcome to Life Connect. This is our weekly cooking sessions which we show you live. Simple, easy dishes every week. And this week we've come up with something new again. We are starting off with tea cake or a pound cake, and then we are doing our famous life bowl, salad bowl, which is called Shumami salad bowl. And after that we are doing vegan causeway. So let's start with the pound cake or tea cake, and hope you enjoy the session this week. We might take a little break after every dish. So please stay online and have a look at the recipes, and you can order each and every dish separately as well. And also this week we are coming up with 4 new combos. We'll send WhatsApp of those, and you can also have a look at them on Instagram and Facebook. You can order them to us directly by phone call or WhatsApp. We'll give you details about the combos very soon. It's a very economical pack for 4 and very nice combos. Good meals for a family of 4 or people of 4. Economical, reasonable, packed well, cooked hygienically. So let's start with the tea cake now. Over to chef now.
Good evening, guys. Today we are showing you how to make a pound cake. So pound cake is basically it is a North American cake. So what happens is everything is 1 pound. Like first one is flour 1 pound, butter 1 pound, eggs 1 pound, and sugar 1 pound. So here today, being a vegetarian recipe, I am going to show you how to make this pound cake. So easily, delicious, and also you can make different variants out of it. So here we go. So ingredients I have here is all equal quantity. So here the trick is since instead of eggs I'm using condensed milk. Okay, instead of eggs I'm using condensed milk. The butter is equal portion of butter and equal portion of flour. Okay, and I'm using, since there is sugar in Milkmaid, I'm reducing the amount of sugar here and adding little bit of milk for the moisture. So first the butter, unsalted butter, I'm adding it inside it's not melted or it's not so just butter. So we are using some French butter, and to this I'm adding the Milkmaid, the condensed milk. And the sugar. Now I'm going to add the sugar. So we are using the stand mixer. Making it with the mixer makes the life easier. With the whisk is little bit complicated. And I'm using the balloon attachment, the whisk attachment. So the idea is the pound cake, it usually need to incorporate air to it, and the sugar has to melt properly. If you want your the pound cake without any like a strong cake, you no need to add any baking soda or baking powder. Whereas I need it more fluffy, so I am adding baking powder and baking soda. So this has to whisk for So it's nicely whisking, and the smell of the butter makes it so nice. So now I'm adding the milk also to it and let it whisk. So while I do that, I'm going to scrape out the sides little bit. So you can make this batter at your home and keep it for a couple of days and use it later also as well. So meanwhile I'm using a Sprig Natural Vanilla. So this is the product. It gives so much flavor to the product. I'm adding just less than a teaspoon. Actually, I'll add it directly. It's a very good product, but it's a natural vanilla, not an essence. So now I'm giving it a little higher whisk and then I'm sifting it down. Now I'm going to sift my flour inside. While sifting it, I'm adding the baking soda to it as well as the baking powder, so it can equally mix and sift it. So the sifting process is important, so that there is no lumps formed inside. I'm adding the other whatever remaining flour also. The recipe is very easy. Equal portion of flour, equal portion of condensed milk, equal portion of the butter. And adding milk is optional if you want your batter to be little thick and stuff like that. So these days everybody at home has the stand mixer, so it's not a difficult issue at all. So now I'm now you can see the entire process. Scraping the sides little bit. Now I'm going to incorporate the air to it. Now the batter is ready. See how nice and smooth. It's called hard peak. The batter is ready. So I'm using this type of molds, paper molds, because it's easily available in all baking shops these days. So I'm gonna fill it halfway through. This is a 300-gram mold. So halfway through. And I'm going to top it with some cashews and walnuts. So that is perfect for a tea cake. Just added vanilla to it, nothing else. I'm adding some walnuts. Gives a perfect crunch. And this one goes inside the oven for 170 degree for 45 minutes. It's a slow and steady baking process. So now it gets inside the oven. So go. That's how it goes inside the oven. And for this we need to wait for 45 minutes. By then we will show you the salad bowl. We're gonna make the shumami salad bowl. So we'll catch you back in a minute. Thank you.